Good day, grade 5. So today we're going to discuss and demonstrate assignment number 8 and assignment number 9. So first thing we need to do is to open our previously created PowerPoint, the one we used for assignment number 6 and 7. So once you already open it, so what you're going to do first for assignment number 8 is we're going to use the slide master. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download. Make sure that you downloaded the robot picture that I posted via WhatsApp and Class Dojo. Screenshot it, download it via WhatsApp, or use the Google Drive link for you to able to download the file. So once it's already, once the photo is already in your computer, so what we're going to do now is to add the slide master, which is assignment number 8. So the first thing you need to do is to click View, and then on the Master Views group, click Slide Master, and then you scroll up. You will see that there's the biggest slide among this, or the main slide, and you have the sub slide. So click that one. Normally it's with the number 1 here beside it on the left side. So once you click it, the next thing you need to do is to go to Insert Now, and then click Pictures on device, because it's already in my computer. So it's here. And then after that, you can do already the editing for this robot. So if you want to recolor, you want to correct the sharpness and other effects that you like, no, you can have them. For example, this one, or if you want it as is, no problem also. You can crop, no, if you think the photo, it's the space for the photo, it's big, you can crop it. Okay, so it's already there, and then put it on the lower right side. So make it a little bit smaller, because so that it will prevent from possible you know it will cover the other content that we're going to make in the future on the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and up to the last slide. So once you're already there, you have already your um, robot picture. So once you're already satisfied with its location and the size, you go to Slide Master tab, and then close Master View. So as you can see on the second slide, you will see it. And then how you will know that if you done it correctly? So when I press enter, the robot picture is already there. So you don't need it. You don't need to do it many times. You only need to do it once via master view or slide master settings. So even you add the fourth slide, fifth slide, seventh, sixth slides, you have that here. Now, for assignment number 9, so after we tried already slide master, the next thing we need to do is for applying assignment number 9, so we need to remove, no, the mouse click or the function wherein when we play our PowerPoint and then we click it anywhere in the PowerPoint, it will go to the next slide. So we're going to remove that so that our user, or the one who are going to view our PowerPoint, will only navigate or go to the next slide via or through the button that we inserted. So it means when we press anywhere in the slide, there no reaction on our PowerPoint. There's no movement. It will not go to the next slide. The only way for you to go to the next slide is by clicking the button. So first thing we need to do is to remove that function. The mouse click, we need to uncheck it. Second, it's we're going to put action buttons, no, the home and return button. Then after that, and that's it. That's assignment number 9. So you're not going to add slides. No, you're not going to add slides, more slides. So I just added 3, 4, 5, and 6 to show you that how assignment number 8 is applied, and also assignment number 9. So next week, we're going to discuss assignment number 10, 10, 11, and let's see if we have 12 also. So we have the School of the Future, Communication of the Future, and I think the other one is traveling in the future. So assignment 10, 11, and 12. Let's see, no? But in the weekly plan, it's only until 11. So if we still have time, so we're going to discuss that assignment number 12. Okay. So for assignment number 9, how we're going to remove the mouse click function. So of course, no, we need to do that using our slide master. Then you go to transition. You will see here on the timing, you need to uncheck on mouse click, uncheck it, remove the check inside the box. Okay, so once you already have that, okay, so let's try. So like that, for example, no, it still go to the next slide. So it means there's some mistake that that we applied. So we need to repeat the process. So we need to view again, slide master, because we didn't click the first slide, and then go to transition, uncheck, and then slide master, and then close it. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm clicking it. So it's not moving on the next slide. The only way for you to go to the next slide is via the button. Okay. So now the next thing is we need to add now the home and return button. So how we're going to do that? We need to click again view, slide master, then click the slide 1, and then go to insert, go to shape, and then on the action buttons, you select the one with the house, the drawing of the house, and then you click and drag it here on the upper right side. Okay, just make sure that it's selected first slide. Okay, so home button, when you press the home button, it will bring you back to slide number 1. So it means in any slide that you have, for example, you have 10 slides, 11, 12, 15 slides, every time you click the home button, it will go back to slide number 1, which is the title slide. Okay, so you can do that. Another way is when you click here, you can click slide and then you click number 1 and then okay. But the easiest way by default, it's already on the first slide and then click OK. Then you can adjust it like a normal shape. You can change shape format. This one will open. This tab will open. You can change the color of the button. Okay, so it's up to you. Also the outline or the lining of that. So you can have black or yellow or whatever. Just make sure that it's visible. So you already have your first button on the upper right side, and then go again to insert and insert the second button, which is the return. Okay, so in the return button, it should be last slide viewed. Okay, make sure it's still the same setting. Then click OK. So this one, so that I'm not going to repeat the same step, you go to Format Painter, Home, and then Format Painter, and then click that button so that it will copy the same format. So just make sure that they are identical in terms of the size. So after that, you're already done with assignment number 9. So you added already the action button and you remove already the mouse click. Okay? So you're not going to email this to me yet. Okay? We're going to email after the fourth or fifth slide. Okay? Because we are lessening the or we want to lessen the number of times you're going to email. I don't like that every week you're going to email. And also, on my part, when I'm opening my email, the computer 5, too many emails I'm receiving, so it will lessen, no? So we're going to check on the after assignment number 7. We're going to check after assignment number 10, 11, and 12. And then we're going to check already where our last checking will be on the final when we already finish the entire book. Okay, so we only have those checking. Okay, so that's all for this week. So just apply assignment number 8 and assignment number 9. So when I start checking after the fourth or fifth slide, this is one of the thing that I need to check. If we apply slide master, if we add action buttons on the second slide and the other slide, and you use the slide master and you remove the mouse click. So that's all. So let's see each other again next week.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?